in terms of the step up page. We also want to guide people that they learn about the skills. What about the areas? Can you give some advice? This somebody is asking that what are the courses here and how should you proceed? Maybe somebody idealizes you, how to reach your position.
See, it is very important to one go and enroll yourself in a hotel school. It is very important. We also have a very dear friend of mine. His name is Gaurav Ekal. He's also part. I just saw his message saying hi, chef. Let me also give you his example. And I would want to give his example because I want to reinstate the fact कि आदमी मेहनत से बड़ा बनता है. Gaurav is somebody because of a lot of personal issues not get through hotel school. He
Correct.
had monetary issues and he had a lot of other issues. So he started doing a lot of these little crash courses. Today, let me tell you, Gaurav is a professor in a hotel school because somebody who started at a lower rank has only come here because he has risen up the ranks.
Correct.
He has Gaurav's example and then my example because that is very important because there are two different aspects that I want to discuss here. One
True.
is if you go the Gaurav way, where you start at a lower rank, you start studying, you do apprenticeships at different hotels and things like that, which is like interning in different hotels at different
True.
stages.
Right.
Then when you kind of collect a little money, then when you have a little bit of moolah with you, then you can actually go invest that rather than straining your family for it. That is one option.
Correct.
Then you go up the ranks and do that. The second option here, and the option that I have gone through, that is you do your 10+2 and then you get into a hotel management college. Now, these
Correct.
colleges are actually two different types, or rather three different types. One is a university course from India. The second one is an American course, which is in affiliation with some American university.
Correct.
So these are these two courses. The courses again are degree and diploma. And there are also some part-time courses for somebody who would want to fan out their home business or somebody who wants to just do something like catering from home.
Correct.
Right. So there are also crash courses which you can do like for a month. You can do it for 3 months. You can do it for 6 months so that you kind of build skills.
True.
So that is that. Also, what happens is, and I want to make this loud and clear, when parents meet me and they say, my child can cook very well. I want to put him in a hotel. My first thing is only if he can cook well, don't make this decision.
Correct.
Hotel management school or hotel management college is not about cooking. It's much beyond cooking. There is accountancy, there is engineering, there is finance, there is information technology, there is French, right? There is housekeeping, where they teach you how to clean and keep everything neat and tight. Then there is front office, where they teach you how to be in a bow and tie and be suited, booted, and how to handle reservations, how to be, to handle receptions.
Correct.
Front office. There is a job of a waiter who later rises up the ranks and becomes a supervisor, eventually becomes the general manager of the property if it's brilliant. Sometimes even becomes a president, vice president of the hotel, maybe of the region, maybe of a cluster, of an entire chain. So that's the whole F&B track. And then there's a track of kitchens. So only and only if cooking is your passion, hotel management is not for you.
True. Agree.
Because then I think you should do a crash course, you should do like a 6-month course, or you should enroll yourself in a course which is only cooking per se, because you only want to find out in cooking. But let me tell you, and I tell this, from I would always advise people to do an entire course.
Correct.
Because everything teaches you different things. Housekeeping is not about cleaning. Housekeeping is also about keeping a keen eye on cleanliness.
Right. Correct.
Whether it's a kitchen, whether it is a bed, whether it is a pantry, or anything for that matter. It could be the lavatory, it could be the bathrooms.
Correct.
It just sharpens your eye. It just sharpens your drive towards cleanliness, towards something that is neat, that aspect. Service again is very important because it inbuilds a character in you. It inbuilds a personality in you.
True.
You can go talk to a guest. You can take orders, and it takes a little bit of time. Generally people shy because उनको लगता है नहीं भगा दो गेस्ट को मेरे पास मत लेके
correct
को बता दो बनाना कैसा है.
Right.
sometimes, when the waiter comes and says, sir, आपको ना XYZ टेबल पे मिस्टर सो एंड सो ने बुलाया है, उनको बोलो नहीं हूं, उनको बोलो मैं नहीं हूं।
साहब बिजी है।
बिकॉज उनको ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं गेस्ट ने कुछ 4 बात पूछ ली नहीं।
Correct.
Getting it? Suddenly the guest can, oh, it's nice and sunny outside, yeah. So what do you want for me today? It's nice and sunny outside. शेफ को पकाने तो आता है लेकिन उसको बोलने नहीं आता।
Correct.
How does he sell summer foods to a guest?
True.
Getting it? इतने भी कोई पॉलिश नहीं होते जो बोल दे कि सर these are the cooling foods and these are the warm foods. These are the
Correct.
properties of the foods. आप
Sure.
बाहर इतना sunny है तो आप एक कोई beverage पी लो, cool yourself from within. People
Correct.
should also understand the difference between a lassi and a buttermilk.
True.
लस्सी गर्म होती है, लस्सी की जो तासीर होती है हमारे बॉडी के लिए गर्म होती है।
Correct.
जो छाछ होती है, जो बटर मिल्क होती है, उसकी तासीर ठंडी होती है।
True.
अगर ये किसी को नहीं पता होगा, वो सर्दियों में किसी को छाछ पिला देगा।
True. True. Absolutely. And
These are the things that need to be understood. And then you enroll yourself in a hotel school. Very importantly.
True, true. I think that's a good point. I think Varun, you made about the personal aspect also. I mean, it's not only about cooking in one corner. I mean, all the famous chefs as well as people who've interacted with their customers or people who are actually dealing with their products, me really getting the feel of it. So maybe that's a good